Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I want to show you guys how I make my two-strand twist to be tight and also last longer. So if you're interested in this video, please continue watching. So guys, I also went ahead to do some at the back before starting to show you guys what I actually do. I also parted my hair in two sections. Then I'll be parting it little by little with this rattan comb. I'm going to apply a very generous amount of shea butter so that my twist will be able to lay flat because I'm not sprinkling my hair with water. That's why I'll be using a very large amount of shea butter on each section of hair that I'm going to twist. So I start off by making braids at the root of the twist so that they're going to look tight and also neat, and they will also last longer if you do them this way. But when you make your twist without braiding the roots or using like rubber bands at the roots, it is going to be puffy and will not last longer. That is why you have to braid down the roots before doing the mini twists. So guys, this is the secret I use. Not actually a secret because I'm also sharing it right now. This is what I do to get a long lasting mini twist. Please continue watching and don't forget to subscribe.